Welcome back. This is lesson 4 in section 2 of our training working with data, cells, rows, and columns. Still on how to get started with Excel. I'm Amaka Ifebunando, your instructor. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can move cells within and between worksheets. We'll be illustrating using this data set below. To move a cell within a worksheet, you first of all select the cell range you want to move. I'll be selecting from this point to this point using my mouse. I'll go this way and drag this way. Right. And I can use the shift key. When I select this, I press my shift key, then I select the last. Right. So depending on whichever method you want to use to select. After you've selected your cell range, you hover your mouse at the edge of the selected cell range. You see a multi-directional arrow. Immediately it pops up. You left click, hold your left mouse down. When you hold it down, you drag. You see, I can drag to any area of the cell and I've moved it. I can do that again. I hover around this point. Immediately that multi-directional arrow appears. You can see it. I drag up. Right. So I can move it anywhere using this method. What if I want to move it to another worksheet, between this worksheet and another worksheet? I'll open a new worksheet, right? Back to lesson 4 we are working on. I'll still select this. I'll select this range, but in moving between worksheets, we use the cut and paste feature, right? So I'll say control, you come to your home tab and use this cut feature or control X, the shortcut control X. So I'll use this. Immediately the cut feature is activated. You can see it, and I'll go to the sheet I just created and I'll select where to the point I want it to be moved to. I want it to be moved to from this point. Then I'll click on paste. You see, still on the home tab, under the clipboard section, the paste option is what I'll select. Immediately you've moved this particular cell content from where it was to this new worksheet, right? So that's how you move. So let's go back to the next our previous sheet and see. You see that the entire data has been moved, right? The entire data has been moved from this worksheet to this worksheet, right? So this is how you move cell within worksheets and between worksheets. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in our next lesson.